Hi there, I'm Maggie Bates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm brand new to this. This is my first video live anyway. I have done faceless, nameless videos, and you can find those on my channel. So this is going to be a combination of things on my channel, but the main focus is children's art, and it's through party giving, illustrated books, and drawing lessons. And then I'm going to intersperse my journey, which are these going to be the videos where you'll see my face. It'll be me talking about my journey and maybe telling you how I'm doing things with making videos for YouTube. And I hope that it will be helpful because I don't believe in putting things out into the world that aren't useful for people. I want this to be useful for people. And so that's mainly where I'm going to go. So the type of art that has always come out of me is very whimsical and colorful. And no matter how serious I tried to be, no matter how adult-like I tried to be when I would do art through the years, it ended up looking like a children's book. So I eventually gave into that, which is a good thing. And I find that my artwork is received quite well. I published a children's book a couple years ago. It did really well. I paid for some professional reviews, and one of them was through Chanticleer, so it actually got a really good review on that. So I entered it into the contest, and in 2022, I won in the Little Peeps competition. I won the best book for that year. And there were books from all over the world. And so I felt quite honored by that. And then I also paid for another review by Kirkus. And I'm going to make a video just about getting that review because I didn't realize how cool it is to get a star. And I got a star on my book. So I will talk about the Kirkus starred review journey as well. And then I'm going to share with you how I make art, how I make videos, how much of it is authentically my own hand, either on using paint on paper or stylus on a computer screen. And then there's going to be a little bit about AI because AI is in the world and it's being used all the time. And there's good and bad ways to use AI. And I think as an educated artist, for me to not experiment with it, to not understand it, would be kind of a loss for me. And so I am experimenting with it. I am using it here and there. It is not, absolutely not my main way of creating art. It doesn't feel like it came from me. It feels like a tool. It's like, it's not authentically mine, but it is a creation of mine, and I want to do a video on that and explain why I say it is a creation of mine, even though I didn't do it with my own hand. Back to my authentic art, though, that is what I want to share with children in the drawing lessons that I do. I will be using my own hand, creating those and kind of going through step by step. How do you draw a dragon, or how do you draw a dinosaur? Because I'm good at that. And there's one YouTube video up right now of how to draw a dinosaur that I've completed, and I've put it up there. There's a YouTube short of a dragon. It is more just for entertainment, and it's not a step-by-step because it's a YouTube short. It's only 44 seconds long. So it's really hard to follow if you're a child. It's more for entertainment. But that one I will develop into a drawing lesson too. Anyway, I plan on drawing unicorns and, birds, horses, any kind of critter. I love animals. I absolutely love animals, and I love drawing them. So you'll see that on my channel. And I hope that you will find things to be useful and entertaining and beautiful. And I want to make the world a little bit happier place through my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this. I hope that you will like, subscribe, and follow. I will keep you updated on how things are going. Right now I'm up to about 450 subscribers. So not monetized yet. That is where I'm headed though. I'm hoping to get monetized. Hopefully something will hit on this channel and I'll get a boost there. But I'm just going to keep making videos of value, put them out there. Eventually I'll figure it out, and hopefully you'll be sharing in that journey. Okay, see you on the next one. Bye.